This area is called Omonia in Athens, Greece. Hi, how you doing? It's supposed to be an interesting area. Very interesting area, right? How interesting? Yeah, the cab driver agrees. So far, so good. The folks at the hotel suggested that I should stop by this area. This is still the Ammonia area. I'm having storage issues. Hopefully I'll be able to record as much as possible here. There are people hanging around as the lady told me there will be. Well, short of that, I see a nice water fountain and I see the Moxie across the street. The Moxie, I think, is a Marriott chain. And there's a guy making fire to warm himself up right there. That is interesting now. Right there. I guess there are interesting things happening. He's just making fire to warm himself up right there. Wow. Poor man, I guess it's cold. The plight of the homeless. This is the Ammonia neighborhood. Looks like a safe neighborhood to me. Not like a lot going on. Pretty fountain. Except for the guy trying to warm himself up with his own makeshift fire. Everything else seems kind of sort of normal. Yesterday someone tried to sell me some watch in the Victoria neighborhood. I've been offered worse. In Jamaica someone tried to sell me weed. This just looks like a big, big circle to me. I go to the other side. That must be like a restaurant or something. So they have a lot of good places to eat in Athens. A lot of good food. I guess they all must be getting patronage. You know what I mean? We'll quickly cross the road there. This is the Omonia neighborhood. Look at that crazy guy weaving through traffic on a bike. This does look like a little bit of a rough part of the neighborhood. Oh, they still got businesses open. Getting a little crowded down here. Yikes. Can't pronounce the name of the street. This is a quieter street. Well, it's quiet out here, maybe because it's cold. Trashy neighborhood. come full circle. If you like this video of the Omonia area, you can like, comment, you know the rest of it.